Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone sound if it's not working. Now, the first thing you're going to do is head into the Settings app on your iPhone. And let's scroll down from here until we get to first Sounds and Haptics. Now, this sounds really simple, but make sure your phone isn't on silent mode. So if it's on silent mode, make sure to toggle that off. But also, let's make sure the volume sliders are all the way up. You can see here it says ringtone and alerts. Let's turn this all the way up. But this isn't the only volume slider on your iPhone. There's also a volume slider for listening to songs or watching videos. For that, you're going to swipe down from the top right to get to your control center. And we're going to turn this volume slider all the way up as well. So we've turned on the volume on both things. Next, let's check to see if there's other issues by scrolling down here. And you can see there's a built-in volume speaker limit. If this is limiting the volume, you want to make sure to turn that off. In addition to that, if you have headphones in, you can see reduce loud sounds. You want to make sure to turn that off as well. The next thing we're going to do is go back to the very beginning of your settings. Let's make sure your iPhone isn't accidentally connected to some other device and it's playing out of that device. So tap on Bluetooth, and if this is turned on and it might be connected to external headphones or maybe an external speaker, you want to just toggle this off just to be sure. And now after we've done that, let's go back to the very beginning. From the beginning, we're just going to scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now we're going to go to two different places on here. The first one is let's scroll down and tap on touch here. And then from touch, let's scroll down until we get to call audio routing. If you're making calls or receiving calls and the speaker or the volume is not working, let's make sure this is set to automatic and not speaker or Bluetooth headset. But let's also go back out of here, go back again. And we're going to slide down until we get to where it says hearing section, and we'll go to audio and visual. Tap on that. Now from audio and visual, if you have mono audio turned on, this can prevent some issues or cause some issues with the speakers on your iPhone or with the volume. So make sure to turn that off. In addition to the balance, if it's all the way on the right or all the way on the left, that will cause issues as well. You want to make sure this is balanced right in the center here and not all the way to the right or left. Now, after we've done those, let's go back again to the very beginning of your settings. From the beginning of your settings, if it still doesn't work for you, let's scroll down and tap on General. And then we're going to scroll down to the very bottom. And let's choose this transfer or reset iPhone and then reset. Now within here, all we need to do is hit the reset all of your settings. By tapping on it, it will ask you for the passcode on your iPhone and it will reset all of those settings back to factory default, including if this is causing issues with no sound on your iPhone. Now, the last thing I would recommend doing if it's still causing issues for you is we'll do a hard reset on that iPhone. To do that, we're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold the side button until we see an Apple logo appear. So I'll show you how this works. Volume up, volume down, and then I'm going to press and hold this side button. You can see it says slide to power off, but I'm just going to keep holding it until the entire iPhone screen goes black. And then I see an Apple logo appear. When I do see that Apple logo appear, I can take my finger off just like that, and it will do that hard reset, fixing a lot of issues with that sound. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.